Hey, thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm working on a 2006 Chevy Cobalt. Replacing the headlight bulb on the driver's side. The only thing you need for this is a 10mm socket, an extension bar, and a ratchet. On some cars you can just reach your hand in there and unscrew the bulb and replace it. Unfortunately with this one you can't do that. You have to remove this 10mm bolt and this 10mm bolt, and we have to take out the whole headlight assembly and then replace the bulb and then put the assembly back in. So we'll start with the two bolts. We'll take those out and just put the bolts off to the side. Okay, and then once those bolts are out, you just work this around a little bit and it comes right out. And then this right here is where your headlight bulb is going to be replaced. This is the headlight bulb I got. It's a Sylvania and the number is 9007. It's just a basic bulb replacement. All you have to do, there's a blue tab over here. You just pry that up, slip this off. Then this black ring, you just turn a little bit counterclockwise, it'll come right out. Put it off to the side. And the same thing with your bulb. Counterclockwise and it'll come right out. Now with your new bulb, when you take it out, you do not want to grab it by the glass face. You want to hold it by the black plastic connector end. If your fingers touch this, the glass area, it'll wind up burning out your bulb a lot faster from the oils from your skin. So just grab it by the base of the plastic. Okay, now we have the new bulb. Gonna basically put that in, just give it a little wiggle. The tab goes on the same side that we took the blue tab off of earlier. So just fit it in and just turn a little bit counterclockwise to let it sit. Then we take our black ring, we put that on, just turn it a little bit counterclockwise. Before I make the connection for the light bulb, I normally put on dielectric grease, just a little bit in the fitting here on the connector, and also just a dab in here. It helps with the continuity and it repels moisture, so it might make your bulb last a little bit longer. So just take a little bit, apply some on here, and a little bit inside here as well. And then you just click this down, make sure it's over the tab, and now we reinsert the assembly back in. Sometimes this takes a little wiggling and a little maneuvering to get it in. Alright, there we go. Just make sure when you put the assembly back in that the holes for the bolts are lined up, and these are. And turn on your headlights just to make sure and verify that the bulb is working, and it is. And now you can bolt it back in. Don't forget to turn off your headlights. Just put your two bolts back in, finger tighten them, and then just tighten them both down with the ratchet and the socket. You don't have to go too tight, just enough so they're snug. And that's it. It's maybe a 10-minute job at most, 15 at most, and you'll save yourself from getting a ticket, and you have the satisfaction of doing it yourself. So give it a try, it's easy. Have a great day, see you on the next video. If this helped you out in any way, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thanks a lot.